Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So this video we're gonna be creating a makeup look for a change and not a review. So I created this cut crease, like purple dream cut crease, because it's purple and pinkish, and this is super easy. It might look difficult or complicated or anything, but I'm telling you guys, super easy makeup look. And it's especially good if you have a hooded eyes, as I have extremely super hooded eyes. If you watch my videos, you know that already by this point. So yeah, this makeup look makes your eyes optically look bigger and the hoods are kinda hidden, if you know what I mean. I think I'm gonna stop talking and let's just jump into the actual tutorial. Alright, let's do this. By the way, my rosacea is going crazy recently. Look at my cheeks. Out of the topic. Alright. So to start with, I'm gonna use a Makeup Revolution Flawless Free Resurrection palette and Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm gonna go with this light lilac color in here. And I'm just gonna go slightly bit higher when my crease is, so if I have my eyes open I can see where it is, and then I'm just blending this color out slightly. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking a Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette and I'm gonna go with this dark pink color, basically on the same spot that we went now, just more intense. Taking a smudge brush by Real Techniques and taking a clean shading brush and gonna blend this color slightly bit up. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the concealer. This one is by Makeup Revolution in C3 and the smallest brush you can find, and we're gonna clean this part up. So I'm just gonna draw a line to clean the crease. So what I'm gonna do, I'll draw it higher than my actual crease is. Taking some on the brush. Try to keep your eyes open the way you would have it normally, so you see where your crease is. So tidy this line up higher than it would be. So I just realized that my camera turned off and I wasn't filming, so what I did, I came back with a Flawless Free palette in this dark color in here with an eyeliner brush, and then very close to where my crease is, and basically made that line more intense. So we're gonna leave the crease the way it is now. We can tidy this up later if we want to. So you see, I dragged the outer corners out a bit because I'm not sure yet if I want to close it as a circle, like as a half circle, or I'm gonna meet this up together with the eyeliner. Next thing we're gonna do, because we applied just now the concealer all over mobile, we need to set this up. So I'm gonna use the eyeshadow for that. You can use a powder if you want to. So for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go with a Flawless 4 palette and this light beige color in here. And for my eyeliner, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow. Actually, I'm gonna continue with the same Flawless 4 palette by Makeup Revolution, and I'll use this color in here. So I am taking a small lens brush by Real Techniques 202 and gonna spray it up with a Urban Decay Distill setting spray. As I'm coming closer to the inner eye corner, I'm gonna use the eyeliner brush by Real Techniques, the small thin one. So keeping my eye open so I see where my crease is, so I can draw that wing. You know what, I feel like I want that white gap to be between these two lines, between cut crease and the liner. So I'm gonna go with a little bit of a concealer in between and clean that part off. So I'm coming back with Flawless 4 palette and this brown color in here, and then a small dense eyeliner brush and just gonna draw that line. And just making the cut crease more intense with what's left on the brush. Alright, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna apply falsies and then come back and tidy up eyeshadow and do the lower lash line and so on. So for the lashes today, I'm gonna use the Mandy lashes. We actually changed to the Azeredo Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use in the style Vixen. And the lashes are on. Honestly, I am obsessed with these lashes. I mean, no matter which lashes I use, I'm coming back to these over and over again, to the particular style, this Vixen, because, I mean, just look at these. They look amazing. So I added a little bit of the Worth the Hype mascara on my lashes just to blend in with the falsies. And I think we should just move on and apply the foundation and then fix the lower lash line, and we're gonna be done. Alright guys, we're nearly there. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna come back with a Flawless Free palette in this light lilac kind of color that we started as our transition color. Dragging it slightly bit out where the liner is. So I'm going back to the Flawless Faux palette into this icy color in here in the corner, shimmery icy color, and I'm just gonna brighten my inner eye corners with that. So I'm gonna add a little bit mascara. I'm gonna use the same Worth It Hype by NYX on my lower lash line. And we're nearly done. And for lips, I'm gonna go with the NYX Lingerie Embellishment. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for spending your time and watching this tutorial. I really do hope it was helpful. If so, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're liking this makeup look or not really and you don't think it's gonna work for you. Although if you have a hooded eyes, it's definitely gonna work for you. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see on my channel next, and I'll go to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao!